Today I want to talk to you a little bit about VEDA. You may have noticed on the channel this month that I've been starting to post, daily videos again. Similar to like how I did it in Vlogmas. And that's because I'm doing VEDA, which is a video every day in April. So for the next 30 days, you're gonna get 30 videos. And this has got a little bit of a charity theme because if I miss a day, I'm gonna be giving some money to a local charity at the end of the month when I figure out how much I owe them. And that charity is going to be for, what's it called? Local Humane Society. And the reason for that is because right now in 2020, I think a lot of people have gotten pets. A lot of people got pets over Christmas. And I have a big worry that, and now dogs are barking in the background. Perfect timing, guys. That some people might be letting go of their pets or wanting to surrender their pets once things get better and the weather gets better, etc. And they say, this dog doesn't really fit my lifestyle that existed before this whole craziness. So I'm going to, for every day I miss, give $10 to charity. I'm also, if you see the Buy Me a Coffee link below, going to give all the money I make from that link in this month to charity as well. So if you happen to want to support charity, you can always click the Buy Me a Coffee link, and that's going to go onto the total of whatever number of days I miss, which if I do this properly will be 0. So I'll have to come up with a better number than 0, but we'll see how that turns out. But I'm not alone in this craziness. I actually managed to convince 3 or 4 people who then convinced a couple other people. So I think there's about 8 of us in this particular group that are doing VEDA, and we're keeping accountability so that we're able to make sure that, we each post a video. I'm going to now snap over to a little bit of a quick jump to talk about their videos in a voiceover because I'm going to have to read off their websites and I do not have them in front of me. So let's go see that. And I don't know why people do that. I always worry I'm going to hit and break the lens, but... Okay, so the first participant we have is Joanne. Now, Joanne has a couple channels, so she's doing VEDA by basically producing one video and then placing it on the channel that's most appropriately. So definitely check her out. I love travel, so I've picked that one to show you guys. The next channel here is Jeff Coleman, and he produces videos about photography and photography equipment and vlogs about being a professional photographer. Next on the list we have is Jeff E.D.A. And Jeff E.D.A. produces some absolutely amazing content about creating videos for YouTube. And you definitely need to check out his channel, and I'm surprised it has not exploded yet. Stephanie is a friend of mine from Ottawa. We've worked together on a couple films, and she is basically doing vlog fails, or, well, vlogs that were supposed to fail, but sometimes they actually work out. They're lots of fun. Definitely check her out and see what she gets up to and what she gets her kids up to. They do get dragged into this. Next is Jan at Galaxy Art Media. Now, he's not doing a daily vlog, but he's going to be doing a few videos this month rather than his normal sort of one video a month, and then occasionally he does a couple shorts. He's going to produce a couple videos this month, so definitely worth checking out if you love astrophotography. And he's got some major review coming up, so that's what he's finishing up before he jumps into this craziness. And finally, we have Lola from Beast Train Mean. And if you're looking at getting fit and losing some weight, her channel is definitely the one to check out. All right, so that's what VEDA is, and that's why we're doing it, because we're crazy. Trying to grow our channels and at the same time entertain people, especially given the current situation. Everybody needs more content, and I'm looking directly into the sun, but whatever. I've got sunglasses. So thanks for watching. If you want to see how this craziness unfolds, please subscribe to the channel. If you are got some ideas of content that you want to see, I am definitely looking for suggestions, because at the end of the day I gotta come up with 30 videos in rapid fire, and I really like them not to be just completely random stuff off the top of my head every day, because quality matters. So check out these other vloggers here, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow and the next day and the next day and possibly the day after that. And who knows, maybe the day after that as well. And eventually you will say, wow, this guy makes a lot of videos, and then I'll stop. Actually, I'll go back to like the one a week I was doing. Bye.